Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
The instrumental for this video is provided by Inner Sanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Welcome to another tech solution tutorial. Today we are looking at voiceover and WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp.
Page 1 or 2. Adjust WhatsApp.
So I'm going to double tap on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. More. Button.
So if you are using WhatsApp, the first thing you see is more. What we are going to teach you is how to interact with messages on the group chats, because we are finding it difficult differentiating between people that are already receiving help and people that are not receiving help. So I'm going to use our chat as
232 77 519 561 100 message
solution.
Tech underscore solutions underscore hub
So,
platform computer
tech
mobile phone
solutions, WhatsApp,
100
hub.
message.
So
Message from maybe
tap on
Navigate
it.
254 710 METC Fry over the power tech
Let's look for
tilde cyber request to replying to a message from maybe Rebecca Cardwell. Your voice message.
Okay,
Duration
so
25 seconds. 9:12
this is a
a.m.
message.
Sent. Current position 0
It
seconds.
was I was the one that sent this message. One thing you should realize when you are using when you're on a group, a lot of people are sending messages. So what you do, you go to the message that you want to respond to.
Replying to a message from maybe Rebecca Cardwell.
So this is a message from me, and what replying to a message also does is it tells WhatsApp that please notify this person that I sent a message. But if you just drop it, it will just be a message for everybody. It won't signify that this message is for you, because the message will drop for everybody, but it will also signify to that particular person that this message is for you. So that's why we are also teaching you how to use this feature. So on the iPhone, if you want to reply a message, this is a message from me. That's why I'm using it as a case study. So, for example, I want to reply to this message now. You remember Rhoda, iPhone users, Rhoda. So, automatically is on
Activate default.
a play on the actions Rhoda. So, let's see.
Characters. Actions.
So,
Activate.
it's on the actions Rhoda. So, you come down.
Skip backward.
It's saying skip backward. Remember, this message I'm replying to is a voice message. That's why it's asking me whether do I want to rewind back, that's skip backwards.
Go to quoted message.
Do I want to go to the message that was quoted? You remember, you see what WhatsApp is telling me now. Do I want to go to the original message that I quoted? So if I tap on that to go to the original message I quoted, so let's
Star. Reply.
So reply, this is what we are looking for. You just click on reply, double tap on reply.
Text field.
To now open
insertion points at start.
your text field where you can type messages. So that is how to reply while using WhatsApp on the iOS device.
Screen dimmed.
Thank you very much.